Do you remember the golden era? That time when holding a Nokia meant you were holding a tank. If you dropped it, you didn't check the phone for cracks, you checked the floor. That era when Nokia was synonymous with indestructible and reliable. Well, guess what? Nokia is back in the headlines. But this time, it's not just about durability. It's about a bombshell device that is shaking the smartphone world to its core. The rumor mill is absolutely losing its mind over one name right now, the Nokia X Max 5G. We are talking about a beast packing a 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, a massive 8700 mAh battery, and performance that sounds too good to be true. Does it sound impossible? Maybe. So, in today's video, let's separate the hype from reality. Is this the real deal? And if this phone actually drops, will it change the market forever? Let's dive in. The display. First up, let's talk about the thing you stare at all day, the screen. The Nokia X Max 5G is rumored to feature a massive 6.8-inch QHD plus LTPO display. This isn't just big, it's brilliant. The LTPO technology means your screen is smart enough to manage its own refresh rate. Gaming. It ramps up for speed. Doing nothing, it throttles down to save juice. And yes, we are looking at a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through TikToks, gaming, or browsing the web, it's going to be buttery smooth. For the gamers, you're getting a 390Hz touch sampling rate. That means the second your finger touches the glass, the phone reacts. Zero lag, zero stutter, instant action, and staying true to its heritage, it's built tough. With an IP68 rating, it's ready to go to war against water and dust. Plus, for security, you get an optical in-display fingerprint sensor, fast, accurate, and secure. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the weapon that set the internet on fire. The Nokia X Max 5G is rocking a 200 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right. 200 megapixel. Imagine shooting a wedding. You're not just capturing the scene, you're capturing the texture on the tuxedo and the sparkle in the rings. Detail, clarity, and zoom are all maxed out. But that's not all. You get a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel macro lens lets you get up close and personal. Butterfly wings, raindrops, flower petals, all in crisp detail. For the selfie squad, you're looking at a 50 megapixel front camera. Your video calls will look cinematic, and your vlogs, reels, and selfies will be absolute pro quality. Performance. Big screen, massive camera, so what's under the hood powering this beast? The rumors point to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This isn't just a chip, it's a powerhouse. Whether you're editing 4K video, running heavy graphics games, or juggling 20 apps at once, this phone won't sweat. It won't freeze, and it won't overheat. Software. It's expected to ship with Android 16. That means the latest features, the tightest security, and full Google support. And since it's Nokia, expect that clean, bloatware-free, stock Android experience we all love. Battery and charging. Now for the feature that matters most in 2026, endurance. The Nokia X Max 5G is packing a jaw-dropping 8700 mAh battery. Let that sink in. If you are a heavy user, gaming, streaming, filming 4K, this thing will arguably last you 2 to 3 days. If you're a light user, you might only need to charge it once a week. But won't it take forever to charge? Nope. Nokia is pairing this giant battery with 125-watt superfast charging. With the USB-C port, you're going from dead to ready to go in minutes. Plug it in when you wake up, and by the time you've finished your morning coffee, you're at 100%. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, how much will this super phone hurt your wallet? According to the leaks, the Nokia X Max 5G might start around $800. If that price holds true, this phone isn't just competing, it's the new segment king. When can you buy it? Nokia hasn't made an official announcement yet. However, market reports and leaks suggest a launch toward the end of 2026. As soon as we get an official update, you will be the first to know right here on this channel. So, would you buy the Nokia X Max? Let me know in the comments below.